Hey everyone, welcome back to Tesla Guy, and today it's finally happened. We are going to be unboxing Xbox Series X. Now, of course, this is probably the cheapest Xbox Series X in the nation, and without further ado, let's not waste any more time. Let's get back to the boxing. So this is the box. Our Redeems Forza Horizon 5, which just sold separately, by the way. It's not the bundle, it's third edition, so let's unbox. Let's do a little bit of knife right there. Right. Wait, there's a pull tab right there. Alright, and so what we do now is, I think, is there another full tab? Oh, there's one more full tab. There we go. So, oh god. Yes, power your dreams. Xbox right there. Alright, here's the physical Xbox. We're gonna put this aside. And then there's this is the app, I think. Yeah, download the app and stuff. Here's the extra bits here. Oh, here's the controller, the new Xbox controller, powered by yeah, it smells really good. Oh yes, so much nicer than Xbox One. Here are the batteries that come with it, and cable management, and yeah. This is the power, this is the go to power, and this is the HDMI cables. Alright, let me get rid of all this craziness, and let's get to the actual Xbox. Here's the actual box itself. Well, not the box, but the Xbox, so. Oh my god. I did not find myself thinking. I woke up this morning, I didn't think I'd be unboxing this today. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus. Yes, there it is. Xbox Series X. Yes, there it is. Oh, it's glowing. Oh my god. There's a disc right there. And the ejection stuff. And your HDMI. And this is connect your controller. All the other stuff back there. HDMI cables. So yeah. Well, that's it for this unboxing. So this is the stuff that you need. Oh my god. Oh jeez. Sorry about that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you all later. Goodbye. Yo.
Yeah.
Xbox Series X,
Yeah,
boys.
bro.
You've achieved dreams. Press A. Says, let's update your controller, okay? This might take a while. 100% completo. Alright, updated. Hold on. Next. What's next? No thanks.